Today, we embark on an exhilarating journey into the realm of superpowers. Have you ever wondered if these extraordinary abilities could actually exist in the real world? We'll be exploring the scientific explanations behind some of the most sought-after abilities, including telekinesis, shapeshifting, time manipulation, mind reading, and healing powers. So grab your lab coats and let's dive right in. Our first stop, super strength. A power often seen in superheroes like the Hulk and Superman, but is it scientifically possible? Well, to understand this, we need to delve into the concept of muscle fibers. Muscle fibers are responsible for generating force and enabling movement. Humans possess two main types, slow twitch and fast twitch fibers. Fast twitch fibers contract more quickly and generate greater force, making them ideal for super strength. But how can one enhance their muscle strength to a superhuman level? Scientists are currently exploring gene therapy and genetic engineering techniques to manipulate muscle fiber composition. By increasing the proportion of fast twitch fibers in our muscles, it may actually be possible to significantly enhance our strength. Now let's explore invisibility, a power that has captivated our imagination for ages. Can science make us truly invisible? While complete invisibility remains elusive, researchers have made significant progress in developing technologies that can bend light around objects. This concept is known as cloaking. So how does cloaking work? Cloaking involves using metamaterials with unique properties that can manipulate light waves. By bending light around an object, it creates an illusion of invisibility from certain angles. Telepathy. The ability to read minds has always been a popular superpower, but is it grounded in scientific reality? While telepathy as depicted in movies may not exist, scientists have made intriguing discoveries about brain-to-brain communication. Through advanced brain-computer interfaces, researchers have successfully transmitted simple messages between individuals. That's incredible! So could we potentially see more advanced forms of telepathy in the future? It's certainly possible. As our understanding of the brain and technology advances, we may discover ways to decode and interpret more complex thoughts and emotions. Our next stop is super speed, a power that allows characters like the Flash to move at lightning-fast velocities. Can science explain this phenomenon? While achieving superhuman speeds is challenging, there are scientific principles that can help us understand it. One such concept is called friction reduction. Now, how exactly does friction reduction contribute to super speed? By minimizing friction between the body and its surroundings, one can reduce energy loss during movement. This principle has inspired advancements in sports technology, such as aerodynamic clothing and streamlined equipment. Telekinesis, the power to move objects with your mind. While it may seem like pure fiction, there are scientific theories that could explain this ability. One such theory is based on quantum mechanics and the concept of entanglement. Imagine if we could harness our brain's electrical signals to manipulate particles at a quantum level. Telekinesis could potentially be achieved by manipulating subatomic particles through focused brain signals. By exploiting quantum entanglement and utilizing advanced technologies like nanobots or magnetic fields, we might one day witness telekinesis in action. Shapeshifting, another superpower that has always captured our imagination. But how could it be scientifically possible? Well, nature provides us with some inspiration. Animals like octopuses can change their appearance to blend into their surroundings. Shape-shifting abilities might involve understanding genetic mechanisms that control physical traits in organisms like octopuses or chameleons. By unlocking these secrets and developing advanced gene editing techniques, humans might one day have limited shape-shifting capabilities. Time manipulation, a power that has fascinated humans for centuries. While time travel remains purely theoretical at this point, there are scientific concepts that hint at its possibility. Time manipulation could potentially be achieved by bending the fabric of space-time using immense amounts of energy. Theoretical concepts like wormholes or manipulating black holes might hold the key to unlocking this extraordinary ability. Imagine having control over the elements: fire, water, earth, and air. It may sound like something out of a fantasy novel, but science can actually offer some insights into this power. Elemental control could involve understanding and manipulating fundamental particles that make up matter. By harnessing advanced technologies like nanotechnology or quantum chemistry, we might be able to manipulate elements at will. Up next, healing powers. The ability to mend wounds or cure diseases with a touch. Healing powers could require understanding and manipulating our genetic code to enhance our body's regenerative capabilities. By unlocking the secrets of DNA repair mechanisms or developing advanced gene therapies, we might one day witness remarkable healing abilities. While these superpowers may seem far-fetched today, scientific progress continues to push boundaries and unlock extraordinary potentials within us. Who knows what discoveries lie ahead? Remember, the line between fiction and reality often blurs as science progresses. Join us next time as we continue our exploration into the fascinating world of science. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and let us know in the comments which superpowers you would love.